Traction control light, meaning, causes, and how to reset. The traction control system (TCS) warning light indicates when the system is disabled or not functioning properly. It should come on briefly when you start the car and then turn off. If it remains on, there may be a problem with the system, or it may have been manually turned off. If the light flashes while driving, it means the traction control is engaged. Stay tuned as we get into more details. What does the traction control light mean? In the case that one or more of your wheels lose traction while you are driving, the traction control system aids in keeping you in control of your car. The traction control light often signals that the traction control system of the vehicle is in use, which means that your vehicle temporarily lost traction while navigating a sharp curve, traveling on wet roads, or anything related. However, when the traction control light comes on, it may also indicate that the system has been turned off or that there's an issue with the traction control system. You must exercise caution when driving when the traction control light is on. Reasons why your traction control light stays on. 1. The TSC system is turned off. It's possible that you might have inadvertently turned off the traction control system, which may be the reason why the light comes on. Look for the TCS switch or button, then switch it on or turn it on. However, if the traction control light remains on, there may be a faulty or broken traction control component. 2. Wheel speed sensors malfunction. A malfunctioning wheel speed sensor is by far the most prevalent cause of traction control issues in cars. Every wheel on your car has a sensor that communicates to the ECM how fast it is spinning. Your traction system engages to correct the situation if one or more of those readings differ from what the other wheel speed sensors are providing. However, if the wheel speed sensor is malfunctioning or producing inaccurate readings, your traction control will start performing strangely, which will cause the light to come on. A faulty steering angle sensor. The steering angle sensor is another crucial part of your traction control system. This is due to the fact that as your car turns, the outside wheels will spin more quickly than the inside wheels. Your steering angle sensor informs your ECM of what is happening, and this is very normal. However, the traction control system will detect a fault, and it may activate while you are turning if the steering angle sensor indicates that you are still traveling straight when you are actually turning. Or wiring damage. The main computer in your car is connected to the speed sensors on each wheel by wires. Your vehicle will believe the wheels aren't spinning at the same speed if these wires are corroded or damaged, which will result in the traction control going on. Your issue will be resolved by having these wires replaced. 5. ABS malfunction. Another possible cause of the traction control light illumination may be an ABS malfunction. The controller, pumps, valves, and speed sensors make up the anti-lock braking system. When a wheel is going to lock up, the speed sensors alert the ABS control module, and the controller controls the valves to produce the most braking power. Some manufacturers now combine the operation of the traction control and ABS systems and classify their faults as the same malfunction. In that situation, your dashboard can display an illuminated TCS light. How do you reset the traction control light? 1. Get an OBD2 scanner. Even if it's just for minor repairs, an OBD2 scanner is a worthwhile purchase if you work on your vehicle. One can be bought online or at an auto repair shop near you. A less expensive device can be bought for $30 to $50, but a good OBD2 scanner will set you back several $100s. 2. Locate the diagnostic link connector, DLC, and plug it. Consult your car's owner's manual to find the OBD2 device connection port. The majority of the time, it is on the left side, under the steering wheel. You might need to remove a panel from your dashboard to reach it, even though most vehicles only have a cover on it. Connect the OBD2 directly to the DLC port. 3. Erase or reset the traction control light with the scanner. Power the OBD2 on. Enter your vehicle's make and model. The next step is to select Systems or Control Unit to get a list of the various vehicle systems. Then select Systems or Control Unit to pull up the different vehicle systems. Find your TCS ABS system and select Erase Codes or Reset Codes to clear the warning light and reset your TCS system. If this video was very informative, go hit the subscribe button right now and I'll see you in the next video.